Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking. Okay. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and are currently working in the other fields of finance. Okay. So in this short video, I'm going to talk about what are the skill set which is required to become an investment banker. Then what are the prerequisites for any investment banking job. Okay, so then I will take you through the entire interview process, like what are the stages which is involved in the interview process. And finally, I'm going to review a investment banking course based on certain parameters. Okay, so now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I'm going to talk about what are the skill set which is required to become an investment banker. So first thing is basically about your conceptual knowledge. You should have a good understanding of basics of finance. You should understand the financial system and financial market. Then the second point is basically about your understanding of the financial statement. You should be able to understand the three financial statement of a company, like the profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, and how these statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should know about like how to work on different kind of financial models, like the DCF, LBO, and the merger and an acquisition model. Okay, so then the next point is basically about your understanding of the marketing collaterals. So when you work on any investment banking deal, so you have to prepare some marketing collateral or the marketing materials. Okay, so these are like the pitch deck, CIM, teaser, or the management presentation. So you should have a good understanding of all these documents and what is the purpose of preparing each of these documents. Okay, so then coming to the next point, which is basically about your Excel proficiency. You should be very well versed with like how to work on Excel. Okay, so you should know how to work on VLOOKUP, index match, pivot table, data tools, and macros. Okay, so then coming to the presentation skills. So when you will be working on any particular deal, okay, so you'll have to basically present your findings to like a different kind of counterparties. Either it will be to your senior investment banking team or to your client, or maybe to the investors or the other counterparties. Okay, so your presentation skills are also be important. Okay, so then coming to the communication skills. So communication skills is also very much important because you'll have to deal with like different kind of counterparties on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so these are the skill set which is required to become an investment banker. So now I'm coming to like what are the prerequisites for any investment banking job. So what are the things that they basically look into you before they basically proceed with the interview process. Okay, so the first thing is basically about your academic background, like what kind of college or the university that you're coming from, then how much you have scored in your post graduation or the recently completed post graduation. Okay, so then coming to the next thing, basically about do you have the desired skill set for this particular investment banking job opportunity, like basics to advanced Excel skills, presentation skills, financial analysis skills, and the problem solving skills. So in case you meet both of these parameters, so then you'll be selected for any interview process. Okay, so let's assume that like you have basically met both of these parameters and you have been shortlisted for the interview process. So for the interview process, primarily there are three stages. The first stage is basically about your case study. You'll have to work on, so they basically can ask you to work on industry overview, financial analysis, or maybe on Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear your case study, so then you'll be moving toward the technicals round, like wherein they can ask you a few questions about the basics of finance, like the accounting or ratio related questions can be asked. Then they can ask you specific questions to the like the investment banking, like what is WACC, what is beta, what is DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and the equity value. Okay, so let's assume you have cleared the case study round and the technical round, so then you'll be moving towards the final round of the HR. Okay, so wherein they will basically check your attitude and your behavioral aspects, and they will also be checking your soft skills, such as like how you communicate with the HR and how much confident you are. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, then you'll be selected for any investment banking opportunity. Okay, this is the entire interview process that I've just taken you through. So now I'm going to review a investment banking course based on certain parameters. Okay, so now I'm going to review an investment banking course by Intellipat. So this is going to be an executive post-graduation certificate in investment banking and capital market in collaboration with IIM Ranchi. Okay. So this 11 months of investment banking and capital market program help you master financial modeling, valuation, venture capital, merger and acquisition, debt and equity capital market, and risk management. So you'll be able to learn from industry professional and IIM Ranchi faculty. So then you'll be able to earn executive alumni status and 3 days campus immersion program at IIM Ranchi. Okay, so now we'll be looking at the feature and the highlight of this course. So these are the key highlights of this course. So this is going to be 9 months live session by IIM experts, 80 plus live sessions across 9 months, executive alumni status of IIM Ranchi, 3 days campus immersion at IIM Ranchi, certification by IIM Ranchi, then career services from Intellipat, no cost EMI option, 24/7 support. Okay. So this is going to be the investment banking course curriculum. So the first session will be like preparatory sessions using Microsoft Excel to transform data, then financial market innovation and diverse business forms, business capital and type of capital market, computational and quantitative techniques for capital market operation and trading, extracting financial information from sources and intelligence, fixed income market and regulatory involvement, equity valuation, business valuation, strategic investments, performing diversification in portfolio and investment, generative AI in investment banking, core investment banking function enhanced by agentic AI. Okay. So these are the additional projects that you'll be able to do as a part of this course: predictive analysis and forecasting in Excel, determining yield to maturity, AML and KYC research projects. Okay. So along with that, you'll also be provided career services related to the offering 3 guaranteed interviews, exclusive access to the job portal of Intellipat, providing mock interview for preparation, 1-to-1 session for career mentoring, enabling career-oriented sessions, building a LinkedIn profile and resume. Okay. So then, post the completion of the course, you'll also be getting the IM branching investment banking certification. So now coming to like what will be the fees that they are going to charge for this. So although they have not mentioned on their website regarding their fees, but they are going to charge somewhere around like 70,000 or 1,80,000 rupees for this particular course. Okay. So they are going to cover the placement part in it, but I'm not sure like if they are going to cover any internship in this. So on their website, they have not spoken about it. So now I'm going to rate this particular course based on certain parameter. We talk about the course depth. So this is going to be a good course. Excellent PPT skills that you are going to learn in this course. So live sessions will be there. Live out session, they have not specifically mentioned. Internship support is not available in this course. So placement support you will be getting. Course fee will be something which you will be paying on a higher side. Course duration will be good. Money back guarantee they have not spoken about. LMS access is something that you'll be getting in this course. So based on these parameters, so this course has scored 6 out of 10. So in case you are really serious about basically building your career in the field of investment banking, I can suggest a better investment banking course, which basically comes with a complete package, which covers all the aspects that you expect from any good investment banking course. So I'm going to share the link of that particular course in the description section. Please check that out. In case you need any kind of further assistance or you have any query, so please put that in the comment section. I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video and